One of southern India's largest cities is facing a water crisis. Groundwater
levels are severely depleted now,
as well as drought that has affected this particular region.
This is the lowest water levels they've seen since many years.
Country's Silicon Valley is now facing an unprecedented water crisis.
Every summer, Bengaluru faces a significant challenge, a water crisis. As water levels dwindle, residents struggle to meet their daily needs. Traditional water sources are under immense pressure during dry months. But what if I told you that there is a community that not only address this issue, but also set new standards for sustainable living? Welcome to Paradise on Earth by Urban Rise. Urban Rise presents a revolutionary solution with Paradise on Earth, Bengaluru's first water super abundant community. Paradise on Earth is dedicated to sustainable living. With the capacity to store an impressive 3.85 crore liters of water, residents here will never have to worry about water shortages. The Bungalow well technology enables the community to store vast amount of rainwater. Additionally, the in-house developed perennial well technology connects multiple underground aquifers, ensuring continuous water supply throughout the year. Situated in Gangasandra, one of the last green havens in Bengaluru, Paradise on Earth is surrounded by 2,190 acres of reserved forest. The community itself boasts over 1,500 trees, creating an environment where clean air and natural beauty abound. Living here means being immersed in nature while enjoying unparalleled air quality. Every villa in Paradise on Earth is equipped with solar panels, generating green power worth 51 crores over the next 25 years. We are talking solar panels that practically power the entire community. Rainwater harvesting that ensures a year-round water supply, and even waste-to-manure conversion that nourishes the soil. This not only reduces the energy bills but also contributes to a cleaner planet. At Paradise on Earth, you can enjoy a lifestyle that blends modern conveniences with eco-friendly practices. Whether it's relaxing in the luxe glamping site, strolling around the perennial stream, or engage in activities at the sprawling 32,000 square feet clubhouse, there's something for everyone. From motion detecting sensors for common area lighting to using sustainable materials like AAC blocks and low VOC paints, every aspect of Paradise on Earth is designed to minimize environmental impact. The community also features cool paint on rooftops, reducing the need for air conditioning by 20%. The villas at Paradise on Earth are the epitome of luxury and functionality. Spacious living areas, state-of-the-art fixtures, and large windows offer stunning views of the surrounding greenery. world-class amenities including a gym, infinity swimming pool, outdoor sports courts, and children's play areas, residents can enjoy a vibrant and active lifestyle. Urban Rise's vision for the next 100 years is to create thriving, self-sustaining communities. Paradise on Earth is a testament to this vision, pre-certified with an IGBC Platinum rating. As more people seek a balance between modern living and environmental responsibility, the demand for such communities is growing. So why wait? Secure your place at this extraordinary community and experience the future of living today. Book your dream villa now and be part of Bengaluru's first water super abundant community. Welcome to Paradise on Earth. For more details on this project, click on our website given in the description. Thank you for joining us today. Until next time, live green, live luxuriously.